There's been some really enthusiastic individuals here, and actually even those individuals who don't know what they're looking for, actually they've been really keen to just take some information away.
Well, to reach out to what is a hard to reach community as well, people that we wouldn't normally be seeing every day or coming to us, it enables us to communicate with them, and if they've got any issues that they want to report to us, they can.
They give them the opportunity to see things that are on offer is important for their future life.
And Fairhope Homes is a wonderful employer. We're a disability confident leader and we want to do everything we can to try and support the local community.
It really reflects BNU's own values about access to higher education for anybody, any background, any ability.
The involvement they give you and the little aspects of what they are and what they represent is really helpful to know.
He's always thought, oh, I can't do that, no, they won't want me there. But with the people that we spoke to, they've all said, yes, you can, yes, we can. We're there to help you.